Prepared for the chilly weather and a wait, dozens of people line up around this D.C. library. If you've got 2 hours to spare, you can score 2 boxes of free at-home rapid COVID tests.
Not everybody can afford to take off work to come stand here for 2 hours. Not everybody has that flexibility.
Lineups are a problem all over the country as the U.S. smashes records, reporting more than 1 million COVID cases on Monday alone. In reality, the number is likely much higher. Not all cases detected by at-home tests get recorded.
Omicron is very transmissible variant, but much different than anything we've seen before. We shipped out the first
Before a
batch
White
of
House
these pills
COVID
that
briefing,
we
the
fully
president
vaccinated,
warned there will be
including
more
the booster
suffering
shot.
ahead, urging Americans again to get vaccinated. He announced the military is being deployed to help staff overwhelmed hospitals.
Unvaccinated are taking up hospital beds and crowding emergency rooms and intensive care units. That's displacing other people who need access to those hospitals.
The situation is so dire in Maryland, the governor declared a 30-day state of emergency, calling up 1,000 members of the National Guard to help local health officials.
The next 4 to 6 weeks will be the most challenging time of the entire pandemic.
At the D.C. library, people here are trying to prepare for the challenges ahead.
We want to make sure that we're safe and we test before we go out and engage others.
Thenie Freeman and her family are doing what they can to protect themselves. They are so over the pandemic.
It's terrible. I don't want to ever do it again. I think it was one of the worst experiences ever.
This experience is nowhere near over. Cases and hospitalizations in the U.S. will continue to rise. Along with that, expect more disruptions to everyday life. Katie Simpson, CBC News, Washington.